Standing here right now, I feel like I'm standing on the promises of God, because to know that I prayed for this place is to know that God is real and dreams really come true. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to my studio. I'm going to be taking you around. My name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse, and I'm sure you've watched maybe one of my previous videos, which is the making of this studio, and I hope you have context. So we have a new space and this is how it looks like. If you haven't subscribed, please don't go ahead before you subscribe. Thank you. Yeah, otherwise you'll not be so welcome. But anyways, this is what you see before we add in maybe other extra furnishings. But this is what you see. We have these 4 lights that are supposed to provide light at the island where I presume I'm going to be working from. The curtains aren't so long because this is a busy place. We're going to be filming from here. A lot of people are going to be walking from here, students and all that. So we don't want them to be down. I can't be doing dishes and doing curtains at the same time. Okay? Yeah. So when you turn, this is the island. The island has 3 bar stools that are supposed to maybe provide a place for sitting for maybe my guests or whoever is around, maybe my friends, and we're trying to catch up in the kitchen, not them having to sit at the other side when I'm this side cooking. And I love the texture. My husband is really a perfectionist. He sourced for everything and had his carpenter do this. So no, we did not import them as people were asking me on Instagram where we bought them. We didn't. He just had them custom made. I have this chopping board that is really heavy, like so heavy, but I believe it's gonna last me a while, and it's so good. The texture, okay, the feel is so nice. Like when you're chopping on it, it's like, okay, you're a serious person. Anyways, this is how the island looks like, and that's where I'm going to be working most of the times from. We have this cute cupboard. It's so cute. I just want to stay there and keep looking at it. The lights come out so well. But anyways, it has a lot of storage. Like, we wanted to kill that space. He wanted to kill that space. He's an architect. In case you didn't get the context from the previous video, he's an architect. So he designed this place, all of it, and pulled it off. None of us in the making of this studio knew exactly what we were doing. Yeah. So we have a shelf that has books, cookbooks and all. And I strongly believe that one day I'm going to have a cookbook on that shelf, maybe more, not just one. Yeah. So this is my family. In case you didn't know, I have 2 children together with my husband, and that is a picture of us. And down here is a writing that I would like to read for you. It says, 100 years from now, it will not matter what my bank account was, the sort of house I lived in, or the kind of car I drove, but the world may be different because I was important in the life of a child. Who knows? One of the reasons I cook most of the meals at home is because I want my children to remember me for making them feel at home, for making them hearty meals, and yeah, let them just remember me when it comes to food, because everyone eats daily. At least they won't forget. So the same decor and cupboard place houses the fridge and has extra storage on top. We don't have a lot going on yet because there's not a lot of things to store. And this fridge, you guys, you people, I was talking about these people who already had these fridges and never said anything. Like, this thing actually makes ice on its own. I'm going to make drinks. Anyways, not a lot, but I have these fridge organizers. My friend Noella gave them to me from Urban Households UG. And yeah, maybe she's going to give me more so that the fridge is full. But this is where you put the water that finally evaporates into ice. But now my village people need to find out. When rich people have been enjoying. They don't tell us. Why? Now see, we're excited about small things, but you knew. Anyways, here's some chocolate, my favorite chocolate, which is Bounty. My husband got me that, so he bought me 2. I ate 1, and that one is just there to keep the fridge busy. Feel like there's someone who actually owns it. On the side of the fridge, there's this other storage space, which has a blender, the fridge inverter, so it doesn't go directly into power. And if you're wondering, where's Bad Boy? He's here. The air fryer is seated on a whole shelf, on a whole worktop alone, and then there's you sharing a bed with your husband. Why are you doing that? In your next life, pray to become an air fryer. Yeah, anyways, this is the side of the sink now. This worktop is going to be used by a lot of people who are going to walk in here, maybe to study, maybe to visit, maybe to learn something. And this is how it looks like. Remember how this place was fully closed? They opened it up and it looks so cute. Yeah, if you don't know yet, I love tulips. So if you're going to visit me anytime soon, please carry me tulips. I'm joking, but yeah, I really love tulips. That's why it's the only flower in there. And we have also this plant that is supposed to make the place look a bit okay-ish. And yeah, that is the sink area. This is the sink, and it has this 3D brick-like wallpaper on the back. It's cleanable, so in case you're washing something and it splashes, you don't have to worry. You can just clean the whole place and no scratches. And then these taps, the faucets are like so cool. Not so cool, not the best of the best, but yeah, for me they are the best, because all you have to do is just open the water and then press, and it's like a whole shower. Yeah, the same side. So means if someone using this sink, you don't have to turn the tap from the other side. That thing has been disturbing. You see, I'm using the sink. Why are you turning the tap? Can't you wait? Which one is this impatience of yours? So this side you have your water, the other side I have my water. Please don't disturb. And mainly that's it. That door goes into the pantry, and I'm going to show you there in no minute. Guys, if you haven't subscribed up to this moment, this time, it's almost 3 years since we started this YouTube channel, and you've been watching and you've refused to subscribe. Whatever you are after, I promise you will not get it. But please subscribe. We have the cooker here that has 4 gas stoves and then 2 electricity plates. And the cool thing about this, guys, I don't know, this my villageness, one day it will kill me, but we have a pot filler. In case you've been watching this in the videos, please make sure to come through whenever we advertise for classes so that you can use this. At least don't just die before you use a pot filler. Like, you don't have to run around with a jug of water to fill your pot. All you have to do is position your pot on the fireplace that you want it, and then fill it, and boom, just cover and you're cooking and you're done. God created white people. I don't know. We have this chimney that is supposed to take away all the heat, all the flavors. Instead of circulating into the room, you just have to, it's automatic, so it's electric also. So it uses electricity. You can use slow, middle, or fast in case the aromas are too much. And then just the carbon in there, I don't know the science of this thing, but yeah, it has like a air refreshing system that reuses the hot air and then gives you back fresh air. We have our silicone spatulas from the same place, Urban Households UG, and then we also got this one from Amore. This is a lighter. It's also rechargeable, so in case there's no power, you can use this to light up the stove, to light up the candles, whatever. Those fancy people do things with these ones. And then we have one of these cupboards keeping our gas cylinder that supplies us gas. And then this is the oven. It is like big, not commercial big, but yeah, bigger than the one I had, so I'm excited about it. And yeah, basically that's it for now. This is the oven we are working with because it's nice. I love black. Maybe one day someone is going to invent a darker color, and who knows, I should be here long enough to see all that. So this is a pantry. This is how it looks like. It's not yet fully organized, fully like furnished with the right or aesthetic things, but yeah, just in case you were guessing, we are almost starting a spice line, and we'll be selling you spices already in beautiful jars. Yeah, I can't wait to announce that. And then of course, if you've been following me on Instagram, you know we sell ghee, and these calabashes in my local language called ensimbo are supposed to be keeping your ghee safe. So yeah, this empty frame, I need a photo of one of my mothers, and I will put it in there. Did we buy extra planters and extra flower vases? Yes. Why? Because they were cute, and we hoped that one day we'll have people visiting with fresh or live plants. Yeah, very good strategy. There is my current ghee, and this is my local corner. This is called Orwabia, where you serve a shawe from, if you're from Ankole, or if you watched the video of how to make a shawe, that is the clay thing that they serve a shawe in. And I have my like 4.5 plates, but one day at a time. I hope to see you soon once again in my next videos. Bye.